Okay, this is going to be a quick overview of how to do spelling. So the first week of each semester, I'll put a Word document with all the spelling words for the whole semester in it. You do not need to print it off. It's only for if you want to do that. So if you want to look ahead, it's there. So it's here if you need it. Otherwise, you will go ahead and you'll access your spelling through your daily work in the lesson section down below. So you'll notice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday all have spelling lessons. There's an active link. You'll notice as you go through, you need to do an activity on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then on Thursday, you are required to take your test. And so we'll be taking the test online, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and click. You'll go ahead and click your link. Now, some links will take you straight to the website, and some you have to click it twice. So this one tends to be a click twice. Then you always have to log in. So do not forget to click this login button. Okay, and you are a student. So you are going to click log in on the student side. So I will log in. You have your login for this on your login sheet. So you each have a unique username and password, and you'll use it every time. Otherwise, your activities don't count. All right, so when you go in, you'll notice your lists are over here. So this one you can ignore. All you need to pay attention to is the second grade. So we'll click on second grade, and if you notice in Blackboard, it said to choose week 1. We're in week 1, so make sure you choose an activity, or actually more appropriately, it's a game from the week 1 list. So we're going to click week 1, and it's going to give you a list of the words. Don't be worried, they're a little easy to start with, so it's a good practice to just figure out how to do school. So here's where you take your spelling test. You shouldn't need that until Thursday. You can take a pretest, but you don't have to. That's optional. Teach Me, you probably don't need this either. It will just read the word to you and then spell it. So you probably won't need this one. Play a game. This is where you're going to find your activities. So you're going to click Play a Game. And you have access to any of these activities, both free and premium. You can choose any game you want. Just go ahead, click Play, and play the game. Now this, by logging in, this will tell me which game you picked, how long you played it. When you log in to take your test, it will also show me what word you misspelled, how you actually spelled it. So it's really important to make sure you're logging in. So I'll be able to tell pretty much everything you're doing in this site from my report section. All right, so let's pretend it's Thursday. When it's Thursday, you're going to go ahead to spelling test, and you are going to click spelling test, not practice test. Practice test is for if you want to take a practice test. But
Get
Thursday,
ready for the test. Don't forget your list.
You can skip that.
Has.
Okay.
She has answered the questions before.
Okay, so it read the word to you, and you type it. Then the next one, when you're ready, click
Wag.
Say it.
Wag. The dog will wag his tail back and forth.
Okay, and then when you get to the next one,
Bad. I got a bad grade because I did not study.
Okay, so you're going to need to go through and click Say It on all of these. And when you're finished, you're going to click Check Me. Okay, so you should be able to see right away which ones you got wrong, like obviously, and it'll show me if you didn't try it. So, and you don't need to do anything else because I can go in and I can see your certificate. So I can see your score. So you don't need to print a report. You don't need a certificate, but you could practice your incorrect words. So that would be a really good idea.
Get ready for the test.
You can always skip the intro.
Six comes after 5.
This is the same thing. So it will help you practice, and then you can do that again. So when you're finished, you're just going to go ahead to log out. Okay, and then that's pretty much how you're going to do spelling each and every week. It's going to be pretty much the same. Now, every 6 weeks, we do not have spelling. So that will be just, we will do some other things in that week, but whenever you see spelling listed in your work, and it says to do an activity, review, do a game. Make sure on Fridays you take the test. Make sure you log in each and every time you go there. Okay, that is spelling.